Welcome to Oracle CX Marketing Help Center videos. This video will walk through how to set up your website for Oracle Responsys Web Push.
Integrating your website with Oracle Responsys Web Push involves 3 steps. Step 1 is configuring your website as a Web Push app in Responsys. Step 2 is setting up your website with the Responsys Web Push tag and service worker. And Step 3 is testing your integration by sending a test Web Push notification. This video will walk through Step 2. We will demonstrate how to implement the Responsys Web Push JavaScript tag and how to upload the Responsys service worker to your website. Prerequisites for setting up your website with Responsys Web Push include a fully HTTPS website, the ability to tag your website with the Responsys Web Push tag, the ability to upload the Responsys service worker to your website, and you must also have already successfully configured your website as a Web Push app in Responsys.
Let's start in Responsys, where we will need to get our website's Web Push JavaScript tag. Navigate to the App Developer console. Click Web Push Apps, Edit, Platform. Click Download, Web Push Tag. Click Copy. Let's paste this into Notepad so we can make some modifications. If you want to use the async attribute to fetch the script asynchronously, add the attribute async.
The async attribute allows the external JavaScript file to download and run without delaying the page load.
Next, let's take a look at the lazy attribute. This controls whether or not a Web Push notification permission prompt will appear immediately when a visitor arrives to your website. By default, it is set to false, meaning the prompt will display right away. By changing lazy to true, you can delay the prompt. You might want to do this for a few reasons. Delaying the permission prompt can create a better user experience. You'll avoid interrupting your website visitors during their journey. You can instead ask for permission at a contextually relevant moment, or implement pre-permission messaging to explain to users in advance that you'll be requesting their permission and explaining clearly what they can expect from your Web Push notifications. We've included some links in the video description if you want to learn more about good permission request user experience design. This is because implementing an optimal Web Push permission prompt to user experience will increase your Web Push opt-in rates. For this video, we'll keep the default behavior. Now that we've finished customizing our Web Push JavaScript tag, next, we need to add this tag into the head element of every page in our website where we want to enable Web Push. Do this using whatever method you prefer, but make sure every page of your website contains the tag. This ensures all pages of your website can subscribe to notifications. You've successfully added the Web Push JavaScript tag to every page of your website, finishing your Web Push JavaScript SDK integration. Next, we need to configure the service worker on your website. A service worker is a script that your browser runs in the background, separate from a web page. In this case, the purpose of the Responsys service worker is to facilitate the display of Web Push notifications even when the end user is not on your website or the browser is minimized. To enable this to work on your website, we need to download the Responsys service worker file and upload it to your website. If you want Web Push to work on your entire website domain, make sure you upload the file to your website's root directory. Navigate back to your app in Responsys. This time, click Download Service Worker. Click Download Service Worker. The service worker file, named webpushserviceworker.js, will be downloaded to your machine. Now, we need to upload the service worker to our website. We'll upload the file to our website's root directory since we want Web Push to work across the entire dermdenim.in domain. Use any file transfer method to accomplish this. When you're done, you can verify if the file is accessible by navigating to the URL of the service worker. The web page should display your service worker script. You have successfully configured your website with the Responsys Web Push tag and service worker. You have completed the basic integration requirements. For additional integration details, like registering logged in users in Responsys with the JavaScript SDK APIs, refer to the online help. Thank you for watching.